The periodic table is like high school. It can be scary and overwhelming at first, but as you become more familiar with it, it becomes second nature. The elements, or students, of the periodic table are arranged in two ways. The first way is by periods. Like high school students have class periods similar to their interests, the elements in a period have the same number of electron shells, or orbitals, for its electrons. Periods run horizontally on the periodic table. The second way they are arranged is by groups. Groups are the columns on the periodic table. When students of a high school hang out, they stand in groups. When they are standing, they are vertical. These groups of elements have the same number of electrons in their outer shells. In high school, students tend to form cliques. The students belong to the cliques that best fit their personalities. The periodic table also has cliques, so to speak. The cliques are all over the periodic table and are known as families. Each family reacts differently with the outside world. Some families we will learn about today are alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals, halogens, and noble gases. Metals are your average students. They are a large group when all together, but hang out in smaller groups when separated. Metals are the biggest family of the periodic table. Almost 75% of all elements are classified as metals. All metals are located in a specific area on the periodic table. The first set of metals are known as alkali metals. They are located in group 1 all the way to the left of the periodic table. These metals have one electron shell and are eager to bond with another element in order to have a full shell. The second type of metals are known as alkaline earth metals. They are located in group 2. This family makes bonds very easily. Each element has 2 electrons in its outer shell. Most metals are known as transition metals. Transition metals distribute their electrons in different ways depending on which elements bond with them. Transition metals can put up to 32 electrons in their second to last shell. They can also use electrons from their 2 outermost shells to bond with other elements. This allows them to bond with many elements in a variety of shapes. Another clique of students is the bullies. The bullies of the periodic table are the halogens. The halogens are located in group 17 of the periodic table. They are considered the bullies because they are 1 electron short of having a full orbital and want to steal another element's electron to have a full shell. The last family of the periodic table we will be discussing is the noble gases. The noble gases are like the most popular students in school because they only hang out with each other. The noble gases orbitals are full of electrons. This makes them happy because they have a full electron shell. They usually do not react with other elements because they are perfectly happy with the way they are. Now that we are familiar with the periodic table, it can be our guide for the rest of our chemistry learning experience.